Guys, me and Stella and Jake all got nominated. Welcome to part 3 of Elimination Tower. London Bridge is falling down, falling down, falling down. London Bridge is falling down, and I forgot the rest of the song. I put a new freezer next to the refrigerator. Now they're just chilling. Oh, I know this one, I think. Is it like the parkour one? Please be the parkour one. Yes!
Oh no!
I hope that person's bad at parkour. I got this, dudes. Reach Bruce and touch one of the red buttons. Okay. Doing good so far. Okay, I win. Let's go, Stella! Don't think about it, just do it. Beat it. Yes! Let's go! No! Jake! Oops. I just jumped into the pool.
Wow.
Whee! He can swim with me at least. Wow, nice hammering. Hey, my duck likes it at least. Who's rude?
Everybody's like, oh no, unicorn idiot. I'm taking you. Okay, I'm taking you or something.
Because you were rude to Sheila? Wow. Oh, I like this one. Get away from me, everybody. I want my own digging spot. I found it. Yes, I won. I'm definitely picking Sheila and Uno Bruno boy. Okay, so sorry, Stella's computer ran out of time, so my dad's just giving her more time. So where's this dude? I know, and then this guy. I have to pick this. Mac and cheese. I hope this person loses, and if this person doesn't lose, I hope this person loses. I am a very suspicious face. Some people say becoming vegetarian is a big mistake. That was. Oh, I would be good at this one. I'm good at parkour.
Oh, I love complete. I really love this one.
Okay, let's spectate.
I'm rooting for.
I'm just gonna spectate Sheila because she's not gonna lose. Like really, she's really good. Yeah, look. Oh yes, let's go. Come on, boys. I hope mac and cheese wins. I'm actually rooting for her.
It's mac and cheese.
Che. Mac and che.
Cheese.
No. Okay, so I have to go, so Stella's gonna take my place.
Okay, so bye guys. And
Hello, guys. I'm on his account. I really like having this tree on the duck. Okay, whatever. So, let's see who won. So, I think. Okay, so she lost, and yes, there's a few people left. Speed skating. Oh, no, 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 no. Ah, what is this? That annoys me. Don't forget you wanna. Okay, remember where one is. Right there. Two is over there. And three is over there. Oh, wait, no, they changed. Never mind. Four. Four is over there. Come on, go, go, go. And five. Come on, I can win. Six. Seven. Where are you? Hello? Oh, there you are. Thank you. 9. Come on, I can't get it. 10. I know where 11 is, I think. Oh, yeah, right there. Come on, I can win this. I've never won one before, but I can still win. Come on, 15. Go, go, go. Where's 15? Oh, 14. No, 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 no. No, 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 no. Okay. Whoa, whoa. I know I said that. Okay, please don't beg me. Wolf, you have now 60 seconds to nominate 2 players for elimination. Please make your decisions. Let's see when. Okay, 4 more players. I can actually see that. Okay, I'm literally gonna lose. Oh my god, I literally can't spell. Okay. We got this, guys. We got this. Light travels faster than sound. That's why people appear bright until you hear them speak. I don't get that. Who will walk the plank? It's time to find out. Merry Christmas. X marks the spot. Oh no, I don't know how to do this one.
meh, I don't know what that says. Where the X is and gets the point. Blah, blah, blah. I have no idea what this is. But I don't even know how to do this one. How do you do this?
Walk onto the X. So walk near where the X is. Yeah, it was around there. Oh, it was like right there. Yeah, like there.
Like right here, I think.
Yeah, it's this one.
Somewhere like here. Wait,
What?
the X is over. What?
Okay, just basically.
Okay, the X is right over there. So you just
The only
walk.
problem is she probably doesn't see them.
Okay, here.
No, just follow her. She's literally
I don't even know where she is.
right here.
Oh. Okay. I'm scared. It's okay over there.
Okay, go to where you were and then turn right.
Right. Okay. Let's go. About right here. Turn right. Yes, right.
I'm gonna start talking.
Okay. I'm pretty sure we're here. Yes, we got it. We got it. Wait, what? Okay, we're eliminated. I'm sorry, guys. Bye.